Hello, welcome back. It's me, SG like 15, right? My first time voice reviewing in the video. As you can see, I might look a little weird because I'm a car, but today I'm chasing storms and tornadoes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the watch. Alright, so I just spotted a tornado spawning right here. I have to get there quickly before it spawns. So I have a monster net. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this game is Stormix, so like and subscribe and join my channel to do more things in this game. Alright. Ooh, this is a big storm. Hopefully another tornado will spawn. Ah! Alright. My bad, guys. I did not know that river was gonna do that. Alright, so let me just spawn into a tornado. Not a tornado, my bad. Into a car right here. Tornado warning. Tornadoes all the way. Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright, it's about to make a touchdown. It's gonna make a touchdown. Alright, that's turning into why does it look like it's turning into Alright, I gotta check my radar. Alright, that's my radar. I'm in the storm right now.
Weather service.
This time I gotta walk in. I have to go straight into the tornado. Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Thank you, Lord. It's going up. That was the dangerous tornado I've ever seen. Alright, now that one is going back up. I'm gonna check. I just missed it. The more I chase it, the more. On my car is digged under help. That's when the does not play.
The Robloxian Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for.
You see that light flash? Dang. Deployers down. Oh. My bad for that. bridge though? Is there a bridge? Nope, there's no bridges
The Robloxian Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for.
There's no bridges. Somebody help me. Ah! Why did I jump? Alright, let me calculate the tornadoes. This one is already like size free. Oh, this one is gonna die soon. This tornado is gonna die. Not nighttime. Why? Forget about that. Alright. So it's gonna be nighttime. Dang. Why's the lightning like that? Don't know why, so. So both of the tornado is gone. Alright, I guess this is all it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And follow for more Storm Inc. videos. And I'll play more games on Roblox too. This is just the start. Peace, y'all.